Rugs add a lot of beauty and comfort to the homes. It is due to the rugs that the concrete floors are kept under and there comes a softer, padded surface to sit or walk on. For flooring, rugs are indeed a great choice. Also in places where the cold is pretty severe, rugs help in keeping the temperature of the room warm and thus provides benefits for people and children especially. Rugs come in various colors and designs. Overall, they can be a simple utility material for your home to a great piece of art, adding elegance to your interior, and such is its versatility. However, maintaining them is a big thing. One can get professional rug cleaning in Albuquerque. Many people try cleaning themselves, and while cleaning the rug makes few obvious mistakes. Here are 10 most common rug cleaning mistakes to avoid. 1. Cleaning the carpet once a year. The most common mistake people do is not cleaning at periodic intervals. People tend to clean their rugs once a year or after a 6 or 7 months interval, which is very bad. Rugs should be cleaned every 2 weeks if not once. Else there will be dirt accumulation and it is harmful to indoor air that becomes contaminated. 2. Scrubbing. Many people tend to scrub the carpet as a part of the cleaning regime, but it is not advisable. Scrubbing makes the fabric tear and the color or design fades. 3. Applying the wrong cleaning products. Many people by mistake choose the wrong products for cleaning their rugs, which in turn reduces the longevity of it. It is best to vacuum clean the rug after pouring some baking soda on it. Baking soda helps to absorb sticky smell from the rug if any. 4. Leaving stains. When there is a spilled curry or any stain, it is always advisable to rub it off immediately. Another common mistake that people do is leave them just like that and return to it when they choose to routinely clean the rug. Leaving stains might discolor the rug. 5. Not cleaning mud properly. Many times there are a guest or the children who walk into the room with a lot of mud in their shoes. You feel instantly angry about the precious rug that you bought from the best rug repair Albuquerque. So you immediately rub it with a wet towel. This is a sheer mistake. It will ruin your rug even more. Mud on the rugs tends to dry and stick to it hard. The best way to clean them is to scrape the mud slowly and not use anything wet. 6. Avoiding deep clean technique. This mistake can be very damaging to the lifespan of your rug. Rugs should always be deep cleaned. In this part, professional rug cleaners should be considered. 7. Hiring damaged cleaning tools. Many people tend to hire cleaning tools to clean their rug but do not check properly whether they are defective. This equipment or machine may use abrasive solutions and pose more damage to the soft texture of the rug rather than cleaning. Proper research should be done before renting. 8. Overusing of scented powders. Many people overuse scented powders or deodorizers to nullify some bad odor from the rug or make it smell fresh. However, these ingredients backlog the rugs. 9. Cleaning with chemical-laden shampoos. Overusing such shampoos can result in the tear of rug. 10. Taking things in personal hands. Sometimes it is better to get your rugs cleaned from professionals. This will keep the longevity extended.